Now it is given that factorize x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Fine. देखो x cube है, the highest power is 3, so degree of the equation is 3, so this is a cubic polynomial. Cubic है तो degree 3 है, मतलब 3 zeros of the polynomial expected. Okay, now they didn't ask us to find the zeros, they have just asked to factorize the polynomial. Fine. So here we go. So how do we start this? So first of all we'll declare this. So let p of x, so let polynomial with the variable x, it is given to us as x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Okay, now pay attention please. So x cube को no changes as it is रखते हैं. 13x square जो है I'll split up. 13x square को I can take it as x square plus 12x square. देखो बराबर से 12x square plus x square 13x square. हाँ वही था क्वेश्चन, no changes. अभी 32 को I will split it as, I can take it as 20x plus 12x plus 20. देखो बराबर से 20x plus 12x is how much? 32x. हाँ परफेक्ट है. अभी तुम सोचता रहेगा कि प्रियेश why did you do this with the help of these numbers only? और भी नंबर ले सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 32 को मैं स्प्लिट कर सकते 16 plus 16 ले सकते. रीजन है ना बेटा, there is a reason behind it, because when you split up as per to these numbers, what I can do is I can take common and I'll be getting 3 same brackets. I'll tell you how. So first is x cube and x square. Then I can just interchange this. 20x plus 12x है, I can take it as 12x plus 20x. Now I'll tell you why. So the next two in term and the next two terms in one common. Okay, now अब इसमें से clearly you can say x square common आ जाएगा बेटा. So what goes inside the bracket? So that is x plus 1. Now इसमें से 12 can be taken common. So what? Oh, my bad. 12x can be taken common. So what goes inside the bracket? Again x plus 1. इसमें से clearly 20 can be taken common. So what goes inside the bracket? It would be x plus 1. सही है. अभी देखो बराबर से इधर भी x plus 1, इधर भी x plus 1, उधर भी x plus 1, and guess what? तीनों ब्रैकेट सेम आना ही चाहिए. No doubt in it. Now x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1, I can take it as common तीनों में से. So I get x plus 1 in one bracket. And now जो second bracket है that is x square plus 12x plus 20. Okay, तो एक ब्रैकेट रेडी हो गया x plus 1. Now ये ब्रैकेट, I think you must have done this, splitting up the middle term, जिसको अगर तुम मल्टीप्लाई करते हो प्रोडक्ट शुड बी 1 into 20, that is 20, and addition करोगे दो नंबर्स का तो you will get the middle term, that is what? 12. So how easy to get this? मल्टीप्लाई करके 20, ऐड करके 12 चाहिए, तो the numbers would be 10 and 2. Okay, so let's factorize this further now. So I'll put this x plus 1 inside the same bracket. So x square. Now we have decided, now we have 20 और 12 चाहिए, तो I can go for 10 and 2. So I'll take it as 10x plus 2x plus 20. Now x plus 1 as it is. Okay, over here I'll put a box bracket now. क्यों पता है? Because common लेना है ना बच्चा. So first two terms and the last two terms. अभी first two terms में I can take x common. So what goes inside the bracket? X plus 10. इसमें I can take 2 common. So what goes inside the bracket? X plus 10. Okay, and now to end up this, I have x plus 1 bracket. Second, you can see x plus 10, common le lo. So I can take it as x plus 10, and the third one would be x plus 2. So there you go. You have 3 brackets in the end. As I told you at the start, cubic है ना, तो degree 3 है, so 3 brackets आना ही चाहिए end में. Okay, I have done this in such a good way. Okay, I hope you understand. I hope you understood everything what I have explained, children. Thank you so much.